Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, like you can see at the thumbnail and this video description, today in this video I will show you guys how to install Pnet Lab, one of the most people use a simulation about network device such as Microtik, Cisco, Fortinet, OS, and so on. And yeah, and don't forget, I will show you guys how to insert the ISA image of Microtik to Pnet Lab. So let's start. So first and first, you guys need to have a virtual machine. Like you can use like VMware, VirtualBox, Oracle, and so on. And in this video, I using VMware Workstation here, and this is my Pnet Lab. And after you guys download the VMware, the virtual machine in your laptop, next you have to download this. This is the setup of Pnet Lab. So where you guys can download this Pnet. So go to your search engine and type download Pnet Lab, and yeah, that's what you guys can see it. Is the Pnet Lab website. Just can click that, and yeah, you can see here there's three options. You guys can click one of them. These guys can download this, or yeah, it's the OPA file. Okay, so OPA. So and guys, download one of this like this, download and boom. And after that, you can open your VMware and click open a virtual machine here. Click it, and after that, choose the open virtual machine file. Open. Yeah, you can name this file, or like I want awesome lab. Yes, import. Okay, we can wait for a second, because yeah, this a virtual machine that Pnet does. So you guys can install it in your virtual machine, and after that you can access the Pnet Lab from your browser. Okay, maybe I'll cut this. Okay, it's done, guys. Pnet Lab is successfully download in this family, and you guys can check the virtual machine, and for the memory, you guys can depend on your how much memory does your laptop have or your PC has. Like for example, my laptop have 16 yes 16 gigabytes of RAM, and I will use half of it to be the memory of this virtual machine. And the processor, I guess can choose. Don't check this one of this. Okay, okay, and yeah, now we can start the Pnet. Okay, we just will see something like this. Like this. Okay, this is the menu, the home menu of the Pnet Lab. Where person? This is the first time. Okay, so this is the main lobby of the Pnet Lab and the virtual machine. So for the login, wait a second. Okay, so if you guys already see like this, you can try to open your browser, click new tab, and try to type the IP of the virtual machine. Like here you can see that the IP is 192.168.13.138. So in this search, I would type 192 168 13 138. Hey, so I mean top like this. Same like the IP of the Pnet, okay? Like this, 192, 168.13.138. This, click enter, and after that, you guys will redirect to this page, like this. So Pnet have two mode, online mode and offline mode. Because in here we want to make an offline mode, about an offline configuration only for us, private. So I will choose offline mode. Okay, so after you guys choose the offline mode, you will redirect to this page. For username, there's a username, password, default console, and the reCAPTCHA. For the username, you guys can insert admin, and for the password, you guys can type Pnet like this, Pnet, only like this. This is the password of the username admin. Okay. For default console, you guys can choose HTML console, and after that, you guys can finish this reCAPTCHA and try to log in. Ooh, you guys already can access the Pnet Lab, and now we are in the menu of the Pnet Lab, the UI. Okay, so there's so many things that we can do in here, like we can make a new file, folder, task, and after that we can go inside the task and make a lab. So this is task for video. you can guys description, fashion, also that mean the user who can join this lab, who can edit this lab. This is the why the uh, Pnet have two modes, offline modes and online mode. Because like you can see here, who can open this lab, who can join this lab. It means when you guys on online mode, you guys can do configuration with your friend with a different device. Okay. Add, and now we already here. This is the lab of Pnet lab. You guys can try to right click here. You can add a new object, a node, network, picture, text, line, uno, random. So in the node here, sorry, node, and here you guys can see there is two device, two ISO image that already insert in this Pnet lab. There's Docker IO and there's a virtual PC. Save a virtual PC. And now we want to insert a microtik file to Pnet lab, so we can make a lab, make a network using a microtik. So how we can? Okay, now you guys will need to have a software called WinSJP. So what the function of this software? So with the software we can interact with the file in our virtual machine. So we can edit his file, we can add something, we can delete something, download this unfair file. Okay, and you can run this file because this can run it. Wait for a second, and yeah, just click accept. Okay, but because I already have WinSJP here, I don't need to install it more. Okay. And after you guys already download the software, the WinSJP, you guys need to insert the IP address of your virtual machine. Right here, just login, new site, host name, 192, 168, 13 and 38, 168, and the username is root. Okay, and the password is Pnet, like that, like Pnet, like this. This is the password. Okay, and you guys can log in. If there's a pop-up, you guys can accept it or lower it. Okay, now you guys will see something like this. There is two sides, right side and left side. In the left side, you guys can see your laptop or your computer file, and in the right side, you guys can see the file of our virtual machine. Okay, so now you guys need to prepare a file of the microtik like this. This is the file that you guys need to prepare, but this file is hard to search. Okay, so I will put the link of the Google Drive so you guys can download this file in the description. Okay, so and after you download it, you guys can open the file here like this. I prepared, I already download the file, and now we will go to the right side to the file of the um, what is it, virtual machine. So click the first file. I will not select this. Click the first file here to go back, and now follow me. Okay, go to the OpenT file and go to the UNetLab file. Go to the add-ins file, and in here we have some option. If we want to insert IL file, I mean, if we want to insert a microtik file, we will go to the camel file. If we want to insert a Cisco file, we will go to the IL file. Okay, so because in this video I will insert a microtik file, I go to the camel file, and you guys can drop this file microtik that you guys already download, microtik, and go to this camel file. Wait for a second and boom, wow. And now you guys can try to open your Pnet lab again in your browser, and after go to the system and system setting and system and save setting. Okay, now we will do we will fix the permission. So why we click this part, why we click this fix permission button? Why? Because we add something new in Pnet file, so that file doesn't have permission. Because that file doesn't have a permission, so we cannot use that file in our lab. Okay, understand? That's why we have to click this button to fix permission. Because when we click this button, that new file will have a permission, so we can use that file to our lab like that. Go back to the main, and yeah, this sorry. I will tell this one. Okay, so you guys can right click here, node, and now you guys can see there's a microtik withdrawal in our node. Click it, and we will have so many options here, but you guys only need to change 3 things. First, NIC, change it to RTL, this first NIC, and after that we will change this Camel NIC, same RTL, and that we will delete this text. I'll leave it blank, okay? And last, save. And boom, we already insert a microtik file in the Pnet lab. And how to access this microtik, this root word? So we have many options like Winbox, CLI. If you guys want to access with CLI, you only have to double click in this microtik and wait for a second. Wait for a second. And boom, you can log in and voila, you guys access the micro. Or how we can access this user with Winbox? We need to use management cloud. So right click in here network and type into the management cloud. Save. Connect these two things and boom. And now try to open your Windows. Refresh and boom. Voila. You guys can see the microchip of the Pnet map. Connect with it and voila. You guys access the microchip with Winbox. Easy, right? Okay. Yeah. So maybe that's all that I can show you guys how to insert this microchip to Pnet. The next video I will show you guys how to insert the Cisco to Pnet. So we can make a lab with a Cisco's devices. Okay, maybe that's all for me. My name is Alvin. I'm sorry if there's some mistakes. Thank you for watching and see you guys in next video. Bye bye. Okay, here.